In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to intersect shapes in Adobe Illustrator. This is a quick and useful technique that helps you keep only the overlapping area between two shapes. It's especially helpful when you're building logos, icons, or custom graphic elements and want a clean, precise result. To get started, open your Adobe Illustrator file. You can use an existing project or a new blank document. Once your file is open, create two shapes that overlap each other. You can use any basic shapes you like, such as circles, rectangles, or polygons. The important part is making sure the two shapes cross over one another because the intersect function only keeps the area where they overlap. After that, select both shapes using the selection tool. You can activate it by pressing V on your keyboard or by clicking the black arrow tool from the toolbar. Make sure both shapes are selected at the same time. If only one shape is selected, the intersect function won't work the way you expect. Next, go to the top menu and click Window. From the drop-down menu, find Pathfinder and select it. This will open the Pathfinder panel, which contains several shape modes and tools for combining or cutting shapes. If you've never used it before, this panel is one of the most useful features in Illustrator for shape editing. With both shapes still selected, go to the Pathfinder panel and click Intersect. As soon as you do that, Illustrator will remove everything except the part where the two shapes overlap. In other words, all the outer areas disappear and only the shared section remains. This is a very clean way to create new custom shapes without manually trimming or erasing parts yourself. If your result doesn't look right, double-check that the shapes were overlapping before you applied the command. And also confirm that both objects were selected together. And that's it. You've successfully intersected shapes in Adobe Illustrator. Once you get comfortable with this tool, it can speed up your workflow and make shape building much easier. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.